Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with the simplest fix. Perform a soft reboot of the Model X touchscreen by pressing and holding both steering wheel scroll buttons for 10 seconds. The center display will go black and return with the Tesla T logo. Wait the full reboot cycle. This restarts the media control unit without powering down the car or interrupting driving systems. If the instrument cluster remains frozen, repeat the same scroll button press while safely parked to reboot the dash cluster separately. If a soft reboot fails, do a full power cycle. Put the car in park, go to Control Safety Power Off, then wait 2 minutes with doors closed and no pedals pressed. If issues persist, perform a 12V battery reset. First power off the vehicle, then disconnect the 12V negative cable for 15 to 30 seconds and reconnect. This forces a deeper hardware reset. Reconnect carefully and verify the vehicle boots normally. These steps clear persistent MCU faults that simple reboots do not remove. If reboots and a 12V reset do not restore function, gather diagnostic details before contacting Tesla. Note the current firmware version shown under Control Software, take photos of frozen or error screens, and record the vehicle identification number. Use the Tesla app to open a service request, attach logs and images, and describe the sequence of resets performed. Do not drive if the instrument cluster or autopilot data is missing. Request roadside assistance instead. Service can push software fixes or replace the MCU under warranty if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.